Today we are going to unbox MetaQuest 3. Okay, here is the box. This is the version with the 512 gigabyte. So it comes with a paper cover here. You have to slide. And also these on the sides have to be opened. I did basically two things at once here. And then you will have to open it here. And this is the basic package in which you have only the headset and the controllers, plus the USB-C cable and the power adapter. So here's the headset. You have a USB-C cable. This is the power button to turn it on. This is a camera. These are other cameras. There are more cameras in the Quest 3 compared to the Quest 2. There are 6 cameras here compared to the 4 in the Quest 2. Here there is a wheel that you can press to adjust the lenses. And here is the volume. Here's another camera. And here is the audio jack for your headphones. Here you have the strap, which is new, actually. It's not the same as the Quest 2. And you actually can leverage here the weight by moving these two straps over here. So it's more balanced compared to the Quest 2. Then you have also the controllers here, which are different compared to the Quest 2. So basically, they don't have the ring. The Quest 2 has the rings. And here is the same button, and the buttons here are basically similar. And you also have here the USB-C cable. The guide, of course. And the power supply.